Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a review on the Vont LED camping lanterns. And I would like to thank Vont for sending this out for our review. And I want to get my hands on them and start playing around with them. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright folks, well, here are the lanterns right here in this box. And it comes to you like this. And of course, that's what's in our box. I got the 4-pack edition, so it's 4 of these in here. And I'm just anxious to get them out of here. So, let's go and get at it. Now I noticed first it's got a little piece of tape here, so I'm going to take that off. I'm not going to rip it off because I don't like messing up boxes. Those of you that have been a regular viewer of this channel know I don't like messing up boxes. I'm a neat freak when it comes to boxes. Don't know why, but that's how I am. Alright, so I'll put this over here. I'll open this up. Oh, okay, open it up. There we go. Alright. So, oh, a little thank you card. Thank you. Alright, cool. Oh, this is the instruction manual right here. That's it. It's a real simple operation. I'm definitely going to read that. Alright, so now I'm just basically going to take them all out. See what's everything in here. So, it's 4 of these bad boys here, as you can see. All 4 of them. There they are. Cool. Oh, and guess what else is in here? Batteries. Oh, this is cool. And I'm guessing each of these take 3 batteries. But like I said, I'm going to read the manual and see what it's all about. Alright, that's cool. Alright, you know what? I'm going to get back at y'all as soon as I read the manual and everything, and we'll see what these lanterns are all about. Stay tuned. Alright folks, after I got familiar with the very simple instructions that you just read on here, I'm more familiar with how to operate these lamps. So, what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go ahead and crack open a battery here. Just to, get set up and everything. Each one of these lamps, of course, take 3, well, you see 3 batteries each. And so I'm going to take these out. Oop, oop, oop. Don't roll away. Stay there, stay there. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to open this up. Just grab one of these. Now I'm pretty sure all 4 of these are the same way. So I'm just going to open it up. Basically, from what I understand from the directions there, the battery compartment is inside this waterproof compartment right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Just like you open up a peanut butter jar. Open this up. And of course, we're going to put the batteries inside this compartment. Okay, so now when you put the batteries in, make sure it lines up with the diagrams inside the thing here. So I'll make sure I line up the batteries right. Alright. That. Make sure the spring is on the bottom part where it looks like this, of course. Okay. That's it. It was partially on just now because I had it partially open. I'm gonna show you that in a moment. Alright, now you just screw this on. Like it's screwing on a peanut butter jar. Now carefully do that, You don't want to put it on there too tight. Alright, there we go. And that's your ladder. You definitely can hang this anywhere, as you can see. You know. But that's going to turn this bad boy on. Now, from the, like I said, the instructions I read, you just basically simply open it up. So here we go. Ooh. Now that's bright. Oh wow, that is really bright. Ooh. Okay. Of course, from what I'm understanding, the more you open it up, the more brighter it gets. Woo! Man, look at that. Oh my goodness. You know what? Let me go ahead and turn off the studio lighting here so we can get a better look at this. Have it hang it, hold it like this. You can hold it any way you want, really, but if you want to, you can hold it like you're holding a ladder, like so. Now, it's not really showing the true brightness because at the moment it's still daylight here. So I'm gonna wait till it gets a little bit more darker so we can actually really truly try out these lamps and explore all the possibilities with these. So stay tuned. Well folks, as you can see, I got the room as dark as I possibly can. You still probably can see me somewhat because it's daylight right now, and I put curtains over top of the window and everything. But you know, you only could take, you know, you only keep up so much daylight out with curtains anyway. But it's as dark as it can be in here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the lighter on like I did before earlier, and just open it up. So I'm going to start opening it up. Right now I'm holding up at its lowest setting. So here we go. That's the lowest setting right there. See? So as you see, it's still kind of bright, but of course we want to open it up all the way a little bit more. Alright, see? Alright, now I'm going to open it up a little more again. There we go, see? And now, open up a little more, and of course all the way. See? That's the lantern, folks. As you can see, it's really bright. This is really good for, like, you know, if you have blackouts, you know, electricity goes out in your house and everything. And they'll definitely come in handy. Especially during, like, if you got a hurricane going on, or God forbid if a hurricane's going on in your neighborhood or whatever. But if something like that's going on, this definitely good for survival. It's it's weatherproof, you know, and it's nice. Now, what I'm also gonna do something interesting now. I'm gonna open up the second light and have it like right over here somewhere, and I'm gonna take this up all the way. All right, so I'm gonna put this over here. That's up all the way. And then I'm gonna do this. See? So you can do some interesting stuff with this. I mean, let me carry two of these lamps around. Check this out. See? Really bright. Comes in handy. What can I say? And of course, they come with batteries already. And of course, I'm pretty sure they take rechargeable batteries as well. So, you know, if you got rechargeable batteries, AA rechargeable batteries, charge those up really good. Have them sitting around somewhere, and then, you know, as a matter of fact, just put them inside of here, right? And then when you need them, just open it up. When you don't need them, be sure to close them up all the way to turn it off. That way it'll save battery power on these. It's also, let me show you. Let me turn my stereo light back on. I want to show you something else too. All right. when you install the batteries into there, after you finish putting the batteries in here, right, carefully, just carefully, because you don't want to mess up the threads on here. If you mess up the threads, you'll mess up the, you know, the waterproof compartment to keep these batteries from getting wet. So you want to carefully put these on, and just like you screwing on a peanut butter jelly, you know, peanut butter jar. Putting the lid back on your peanut butter jar, just screw it in, just like so, carefully. Then once it gets to where it needs to be, don't put it on too tight, just put it on tight enough. Don't put it on too tight where you can't untie it, unscrew it. There we go, there we go, that's it. Easy peasy. So, I really like these. These is cool. These, I definitely can find some uses for this. And I'm pretty sure once you get your hands on these, you'll find many uses for this. Hey, you might even use these for outdoor parties. I don't know. I'm just guessing. So I'm going to go ahead and provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video. So you better get, well, actually, what I end up getting, I got the, like you saw, 4-pack. So the link I'm going to provide in the bottom of the video is going to give you 4 of these. You can get 4 of these. And luckily for you, the company that sent this out to me, Vont, they are supplying a coupon code for these. And that coupon code is going to be in the bottom description of the video also. And by the way, the coupon code is 10JeromeQ. You know, I'm going to put it up there on the screen too. It should be there. 10JeromeQ. And use that coupon code in the Amazon link in the bottom of this video to get a discount on these. So, well, thank you for watching and have a great day.